Corrections are short, sharp, sentiment-driven downturns in the market. Typically, a correction is a drop of 10 to 20%, but the absolute level is a lot less important than the features. And most importantly, corrections are not driven by economic fundamentals. Instead, they're often driven by a crystallization of existing fears in the marketplace. Corrections are common in bull markets, and a correction is a feature of a bull market, it's not a bug. But that really doesn't make it easier for investors who are often thrown off course, usually fearing the beginning of a prolonged downturn or bear market. But importantly, bear markets usually start very gradually. They don't dramatically announce themselves. Bear markets also have the ability to wipe trillions off the economy. Because they're sentiment driven, though, corrections really can't be timed. Trying to time a correction typically creates losses for investors. Sentiment driven moves and false fears often reverse very quickly, and markets typically recover quickly as well. Partly because some of the weaker hands in markets are shaken out, the emotional sentiment, panic driven selling. Once you get through that, you're left with stockholders who have a long time horizon, a plan to get to their goals and objectives, and are often unwilling to sell at those levels, so prices recover relatively quickly. And missing out on strong post-corrections returns can be really, really costly. Given the severity of corrections, it can definitely be scary for investors, especially given the positive market sentiment that just vanishes almost overnight. But the process is healthy. Corrections reset investor expectations and add more bricks to the wall of worry that stocks love to climb. Without the occasional worry, you may start to see bigger risks than short-term market volatility. Investor sentiment can become euphoric, and arguably that's a riskier environment for stocks than a correction. Though difficult to endure, we really believe long-term investors are best suited to staying patient and disciplined through corrections and any kind of short-term volatility.